So we're out here today at BGE's Windy Edge substation working on collecting data for the comprehensive visual inspection program of the transmission circuits in the area. We're using drones to analyze the condition of hardware, insulators, and conductors on these 115 kV lines. We use this data to help with routine maintenance and make sure that the lines don't have any emergency outages. Traditionally, BGE has utilized helicopters to perform transmission inspections. Since the drone technology has advanced, we've determined that we can capture high-quality imagery while providing significant cost savings and mitigating some of the risks involved with flying helicopters near the wire environment in these transmission right-of-ways. The drones are highly maneuverable. We can put them in different angles to capture imagery of the insulators and hardware attachment points that are prone to fail and get a good estimate of the health of each circuit on the system. It's really fulfilling, especially out during storms, to kind of be that face of the company and let people know, hey, we're out here, we're using this really cool technology to try to get that power online faster. Commercial operations of drones have only been around for a couple years, and BGE as well as Exelon as a whole are really pushing the industry forward and developing these new ideas and new uses for drones. And that's really a fulfilling thing for me, for problem solving and figuring out what's the most effective way that we can do something. Hopefully we can save some money and make everyone's jobs easier in the process.